What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to send money from Coinbase to Pocket Option. So you might be wondering how to exactly do so. Well, sending money, or in this case, crypto from Coinbase to Pocket Option is pretty easy. So first thing you want to do is you want to access your Pocket Option account. So go to pocketoption.com, log in. Now at the top right of your screen, you should be able to see your profile. Now all you need to do is you just need to click on the top up button here. Now you have a number of options that you could choose here, like for example, what you want to receive. Now depending on your country or region, the options here might be different, but since we want to send from Coinbase, we need to choose Tether USDT. Let's go ahead and choose this one. Now from here, also specify the amount that you want to basically send. You can go ahead and basically indicate here if you also have a promo, but for now, let's go ahead and click on continue and pay $100. Now, from here, it should give you the confirmation page here, which allows you again to add a promo code, the amount, confirm a few things. But in here, there's something that you need to know. So since we are going to receive USDT here that uses the TRC20 network, you need to use those details later on your Pocket Option account. But let's go and click on continue and pay $100, and it should give you the payment details. Now from here, you could go ahead and just copy the address that you see here. So you can go and click on copy. And also remember that it is using the TRC20 network. So this one is really important. So because in this case, if you make the transfer and you're not using TRC20, this will actually result in you losing your crypto or your funds in the process. So again, make sure the network are correct. Now also a few things or some reminders here. So the exact USD amount should reach the specified address, and also use Tron network for your transfer. Again, TRC20. Now, also to generate a new payment form for each deposit here. And yeah, so in this case, for you to meet one of the requirements will result in the loss of funds, like what I said before. But yeah, go ahead and click on copy the address here. And from then on, use that as a means of making the transfer, creating the transaction on your Coinbase account. And from then on, you should be good. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like, or don't forget to leave a like, or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.